fighting a Miata. It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. All right, child seat, but no child. But it's a perfect family car, I would say. A Lexus IS 200. So what engine is it? It's
2.0.
2.0. So it's not
155 brake horsepower, I think.
Okay.
It's actually running on LPG also.
Really?
For the long trips.
All right.
As it came from Portugal.
Nice. Very interesting. It is on Pilot Sport for tires.
Yes.
And track speed done. The wheel balancing, did it do the alignment?
No, only the wheel balance.
Okay, all right, well, at least they're balanced. We have some yellow pads there, so is it the
EBC
yellow stuff?
Brembo real brakes.
Nice, nice. Can we look at the engine while
sure.
we're there? So it's not 1JZ like you could could find it.
It's a 2 liter only, so
2 liter.
1G, I think.
1J without a Z.
Yeah. 1G.
1G. All right. Nice, nice. So 6-cylinder is basically yeah, all-day BMW, just like 2JZ. Like B58 is the modern 2JZ. This is, well, you could say M52 maybe or something like that. Anyway, all looks nice and clean and not oily. So I guess let's hop in and do a lap. Sounds good.
Yeah.
I was almost wearing the same T-shirt like you today. Yeah, almost. Shout out to Petrol Heart.
The right T-shirt, but not quite the same car.
Yeah, almost. Check out the link in the video description, by the way.
Regarding suspension, so
Light on, please.
Okay, light. Is it where's the light?
Yeah, the rotate.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. I mean, of course, because it's very dark, you need to turn the light on.
Yeah. Now we are going hugely fast, so the cars in front can see we are coming.
I guess.
Yes, for that.
Alright, off we go.
Let's have a good lap.
Is it still revo driven, actually?
Yeah. It's actually it was engineered with the same chief engineer from the original 86 and the Supra. So pretty much the same car actually. 4 doors.
Nice.
Hatchback.
Very nice to drive sometimes a low powered car to just like feel the how to rotate it properly.
Yeah. Just
Gives you time
you
to
back to earth sometimes.
Yeah.
The problem is if it's your car, you're doing it and thinking maybe anti-roll bars, your brake kit maybe.
Yeah.
Bushings,
not break the lap record? Well, we can probably for LPG powered IS200 anyway.
Well, we're actually on petrol now.
Okay.
So.
Oh, we are. Okay.
Yes.
Still on.
Air conditioning?
No, this thing.
Okay. No car?
No, not since last year, not anymore. Fighting in Miata. Oh no.
Oh, take it.
Yeah.
Is it running?
Yeah, but you can whatever. Don't understand what's happening this year. Even with duct tape, things are falling off. It's
Yeah.
like
You can try with a screwdriver, maybe.
yeah, sure. Messing everyone's interior.
Jesus Christ. So. Miss it, miss done properly.
The what?
Miss it, miss.
Yeah.
The pressures are a bit low, maybe.
Mm.
I guess we won't be reading Michelin on those tires anymore.
Nah, they'll be fine.
Yeah, I guess the Miata was on a cool down lap.
Yeah.
No need to lift off.
Nope.
Do you need the GPS? Can I close it for you?
Surprised that you have a Apple Maps or what's it called?
Yeah, it's the GPS original case, but with
Why would you go now? Last moment here.
so no record now.
Yeah. Killed all the momentum. Had all the time in the world to overtake beforehand.
Yeah. It's probably in a rush for dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I have the GPS with CarPlay
Okay.
and actually with a rear view camera. So we have all the bases covered from cassette player, CD, streaming, and oh my god! And the carousel. It's impossible to get to your this track now.
So fast family car coming through. Come on. Take it. I have the time now. You kill my momentum. The chassis is very playful and danceful.
Yeah,
I'm really impressed.
The brakes fine.
Yeah. It's just now in the air the ABS triggered a bit, but for the rest.
So quick. Tires actually squeak.
Yeah. And that's it.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Yeah, happy we can make it happen. Something different.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed.
Pretty much. Best thing. Really, really good.
Next time bring Natas.
Ah, yeah. I'm here in Germany for a week now, so
Ah, okay.
they wouldn't be really fresh. But I will certainly come back, so
Sounds good.
consider it done.
Sounds good. Yeah, overall, like I said, the car is actually very playful. The chassis is very nice, even though the suspension is not the newest. It's nimble, light. Steering is very nice. So I liked it. Missed a bit of power, of course, but
Yeah, sure.
the brakes were also very good. So
Not a bad day.
very good.